Want to get paid as quickly as your clients can click a button? Enabling online payments in FreshBooks is the key. Today, we'll link up payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This transforms your invoice from a static bill into an interactive payment portal. When you enable this, a Pay Now button appears right on the invoice. First, go to your FreshBooks settings and find the Payments section. Here, you'll see a list of supported gateways, like Stripe, PayPal, and others. Click on the one you want to use. You'll be guided through connecting your existing business account or creating a new one. It's a secure process that authorizes FreshBooks to process payments on your behalf. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: offer multiple payment options. Different clients have different preferences. By connecting both Stripe and PayPal, you cater to everyone, removing any friction that might delay your payment. Just like that, you've supercharged your invoicing process and paved the way for faster, easier payments. Which payment gateway do you prefer for your business? Stripe, PayPal, or another? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.